Our typical projects include, but are not limited to, all water, sewer, communications, and energy construction. We take pride in our reputation in which we provide on-time service and reliability to all of our contractors. We have over 50 years of experience in both the boring and tunneling industries. We are a unique, versatile company, being that we have both union and non-union divisions. We also use the latest technologies, whether it be conventional jack and bore or laser-guided jack and bore, through a variety of soils including solid rock, mixed face, and dirt conditions. These technologies enable us not only to begin but complete projects, especially for longer bores which must be on exact line and grade, ranging from 12-inch to 110-inch in diameter and lengths over 600 feet. No job is too big. We recently completed the Georgia Power Plant McDonough 30-inch natural gas line project for U.S. Pipeline Incorporated. The project consisted of over 50 road bores ranging from 40 linear feet to 500 linear feet and bore pit depths from 9 feet to 22 feet. Solid rock as well as wet conditions did not stop us from completing this project in a timely manner and maintaining our exceptional reputation. Please contact us so that we might offer a quote for whatever project you may have.